Welcome! In front of me I have POLAR Vantage M3 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the airplane mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Now you can scroll through this panel by swiping left and right, and one of the icons should look like the airplane. This is the airplane mode icon, and if you want to enable it, simply tap on this icon, the mode will be enabled. You will see the status changing to on, the icon will get highlighted, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you want to disable the mode, you need to wake up the screen, open the quick panel, find the icon of course, tap on it, the mode will go back to off, the icon will go back to gray color, which indicates that the mode is disabled. You can also do this through the settings, so if you open the menu by pressing the back button, find the settings icon and tap on it, then tap on general settings, and here you can scroll through the menu, look for the flight mode, tap on it, and you have on. If you select on option, of course it will turn it on, and if you select the off option, it will turn it off. And once you're done, of course, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face, and that's how you enable and how you disable the airplane mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.